Hi guys, this is Winnfrey's Kitchen, and today I will be sharing a mango oat smoothie recipe which you can include in your breakfast or use as a substitute. Stay tuned. The ingredients we will use include a half tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 medium-sized mango, a cup of milk, a quarter cup of rolled oats, and 1.5 tablespoons of honey. First things first, I'm going to peel the mangoes and then I'm going to cut them into cubes. So now we're going to put all our ingredients in the blender, starting with our milk. That's 1 cup of milk, a quarter cup of rolled oats. You can do 1 full mango. You can. This is a half teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to put honey, like 1 tablespoon. I think I'll do 1.5, and then we will blend. You can add ice cubes to your smoothie while blending if you like it cold. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.